Hello, welcome to another dynamic do-it-yourself video. And today we are going to make an organic dog ear wash. You will need 2 ingredients: witch hazel, organic apple cider vinegar. Let's get started. This recipe is very simple. Get a container. Use a 1/4 measuring cup, and we will start with witch hazel. And 1/4 witch hazel, okay. And apple cider vinegar, 1/4. So it's 1 part per 1 part. That simple, that easy. So put it in a container, swish it around, and you will need a syringe. Now this is a syringe that well, actually is a little medicine dropper that I received for some medicine I used to give my children when they were young. Look around your house, you might have something like this around. If not, you could go to a dollar store and you can find something similar to this. You need a syringe. What you will do is, first of all, you'll put it in your solution. So a good deal. And then when your dog's ear, you just put it in the ear and just flush it through. Do not stick this into your dog's ear canal. That can hurt them. So you would just want to rinse this out. The witch hazel has antibacterial properties, and it will also cure ear mites. And be very gentle with this, okay? Please check with your vet before you try any of this at home with your dog, because sometimes not all home remedies are safe for our pets. So you want to make sure. So that's it. If you like what you saw, give it a thumbs up. Want to see more videos like this, hit that subscribe button. And until next time.